Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. Hey, at Jack's Route 52. They got an 850 here. It's got a cargo cover in the back. It's got rear window shades in it. Man, I guess I got to get those. Those are too rare to leave in here. Today, Jack's Auto Salvage. Came down here to look for a couple of parts for a couple of people. It's a little tough, but working it out. When it's all said and done, and it just ain't worth fixing. Man, just crush it. Ain't never seen nobody bring a truck this big down in a hole this small. Gonna take them 20 minutes to get this truck out of here. I offered to move that green truck for him. He said no. Let's see if he knocks some pole down or something. As long as they don't hit Queen Bee, I guess I really don't care what they do. That truck. Offered to move it for them, but they told me no. And it's fast. I think it's 07 S60R. Loud as y'all get out, because he has removed the exhaust. Something in this exhaust. 6-speed. Look at those pegs. Some kind of dark metallic bluish purple. I don't know what you call it, but anyway, gotta go to Home Depot. We're gonna work on the dash on the C70. C70 coupe. It's got dash creaking issues amongst other things. So we're gonna disconnect the battery and get started. Hell, I guess this thing is locked. Couldn't open the door. Long dash tab, top off, airbag out. Vents out, getting ready to pull the steering wheel off. Somebody's already had it off. It's marked up pretty good. So let me pull that off. Pull this lower kick panel down, disconnect the plugs, pull some more out. This center dash is a C70. So it's got the extra long thing, so I gotta take those 8mm bolts out there to get this out. Trucking line right along. The dash on the C70 is out. Every mount was left sitting up in the frame of the car. You can see these blend doors real easy with this out. Also, this clip was different. It actually was holding on the dash, and there's a plug over there that was in that harness. Right over there. That was different, and that was clipped on the dash as well. Couple little different things, but the dash is out. let's go start gluing and strapping. Passenger side mount totally broke loose. The passenger center mount totally broke loose. This mount totally broke loose, and the driver's side mount totally broke loose. So we normally charge $250 a mount. This would be a good job. I got this stuff glued on there. It seems like it's curing okay. They're in position, which is an important thing. Next, I'm going to strap them with this. Put a couple screws on them, whatever. And this is a little thinner than the other stuff I used to use, which I believe will be better. It was easy to get that screw in there. I could see it leaning down. It's kind of easy to get that one in. More difficult to get that one in, and very hard to get this one in. But we get all four in, they're tight. We're going to put in the rest of the stuff out here and work on the inside. Dash is back in. Everything's hooked back up. I don't know what this plug here is for, or if it was plugged in anything, but we're about to find out. I'm going to hit the starter, make sure we don't have no SRS lights. Oh, there's this thing in neutral. The SRS light may have been. I think it was. And we're rolling, folks. SRS light is on. I can run a scan on that real quick. And service lights on, parking lights on. But we do have a running car. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.